Hello, welcome to the DE family. We have very exciting news today. So, today is finally the launching of our funds. This has been a project that has been 1.5 years in the making. So, it's been a while. Um, but we want to first start off by thanking everyone that was involved in helping us to finally get to this point. We have our team first off, we have the ICOs that we have now partnered with, we have our stakeholders and our limited partners. We want to thank everyone for their help. What I'd like to go through now too is exactly how our team is structured and positioned to successfully manage these funds. So we're going to go in later on as to exactly how the funds are, how we structure the funds and so forth. But first we're going to explain the structure of the company itself. So our company, DE Asset Management, is located in Vancouver, Canada, and it is the manager of our funds. So the company DE Asset Management has a company called DE Blue Sky that is located in Malta, and this company is the company that the funds are registered under. Right, so it's very important to understand that. So we have the company DE Asset Management in Vancouver, and then we have a smaller company in Malta that the funds are registered out of. Very important too to understand that we will be developing communities in key regions internationally, and these would be managed in our Telegram account. So we will have communities in Brazil, communities in India, in the UK, South Korea, and we have North America and Canada here, right? So the goal with this is that these communities, we'd have them being managed by someone in these regions or countries. For example, right now in Brazil we have Salvador, or we call him Dodo, that is managing Brazil, and we will have ones managing India, one in the UK, and one in South Korea. And basically, when these communities develop, our goal is later on to create an office in these regions, to serve these regions. So that's how we are structured. So what I'd like to talk to or discuss right now is our team. Exactly who is the team that will be managing the funds and the company as a whole. So myself, Darryl Manuel, I'm the president of the company, and also I will be the manager of the funds. So I have actually gone to school for investments, and with my qualifications right now, I am a broker in Canada, right? So I have been in the financial field now for more than 10 years. So we also have Frank Lee. He's an executive officer here with DE Asset Management, and he has more than 15 years in the financial industry, and he was the branch manager of Royal Bank, RBC Royal Bank here in Canada, and he also now works as a senior mortgage planner. So he's very qualified in the financial field, and he will be really valuable to us as we continue to develop these funds. We have Arturos, who would be a market maker here with us, and he has been a consultant for more than 20 projects, and he would be helping us doing market making within the funds and outside as well. We have Shlomo, who's the executive officer with us, and he has 15 years of statistics research, and he has a PhD in signal processing and prediction theory. So basically, he is the person behind the making of the AI technology based on algorithms that will be creating a strategy for our DE passive fund. Chavez is our accountant, and he worked before at United Bank and Echo Bank in Nigeria, and right now he works at TD Bank in Canada. Adrian Guthridge is an advisor with us, and he has more than 30 years experience in IT and the last 20 years being in banking and insurance. He also has his company, he's the president of a company called Blockchain Warehouse, and they also have the Crypto Shark Tank, right? We also have Simon Cochran, advisor with us. He's been ranked #1 advisor on ICO Bench. He's winner of Irish Web Awards in 2014, and he's also a writer for the Irish Tech News. So he's well known, Simon Cochran, in this industry. So what we'd like to go through now is we'd like to now explain the funds, exactly how the funds are structured, the funds that we'll be launching today. So we'll be launching 2 funds, and we'll be launching another product called the DE Private Accounts, and we'll be going into all 3 of these. So first, our funds. We would have one fund called the DE Passive Fund. So the DE Passive Fund will be investing in ICOs. So we have now 18 ICOs that is part of our investment basket in the blockchain. And of those 18 ICOs, we'll be investing in the ones that are publicly traded in this DE Passive Fund. Along with these publicly traded ICOs, we'd also be investing in 10 cryptocurrencies. So those cryptocurrencies would be BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, IOTA, Cardano, EOS, and Tron. So the ICOs that are public right now that we would be investing in would be Payman, Uberstate, Tip Blockchain, OnLive, and Natmin. Okay, so these are the ICOs and the 10 cryptocurrencies that will be part of the DE Passive Fund. So in December we will have it'll be our 4th quarter, and we'll have a 4th quarter report, and we'd have forecasting, and we'd have DE forecast on each ICO, and we will have a good report on each company, and at that point we'd have a good idea of how they're trading and so forth at that point, right? So we will now look at the DE ICO fund. So this is the 2nd fund that we have. So this fund will have now 18 ICOs. So the ICOs would be both the publicly traded ICOs and the ones that are still private. So the ICOs that will be part of this fund would be Infobeam, Fuel the App, the Valerium Foundation, Uberstate, Hans, Travelet, Hadaday Bank, AlgoChain, Tip Blockchain, Heartbit, Payment, Ellipsis Investments, Ingot Coin, OnLive, Natmin, Medical Health, Plentix, and Kakushin. Okay, so as I just repeated before that in December we will have a full report on each of these ICOs. So that will be part of the DE ICO fund. Now for the other product that probably might be a surprise to everyone. This product is called the DE Private Accounts. So this product is for investors wanting to choose what cryptocurrency or ICO they would like to invest in. So we have two managed funds where our company created the ICOs that will be in these funds. And so when an investor comes to us, they'll be investing in what we chose. This product would be basically saying to an investor, you could tell us what cryptocurrency or ICOs you would like to invest in, and we will do that on your behalf. And so if they would like to invest in cryptocurrency in major blocks, for example, $15,000 of a BTC, or even $20 million worth of Ethereum, we could do that for them with this account. A very valuable part of this account too is we will then be able to show them our knowledge, use our knowledge, our skills that we have developed over the years, the best ICOs to invest in, right? The 18 ICOs that we are investing in right now, we really believe that they are the best ICOs to invest in, that they will be the most successful long term. And so when investors come to us, we could help them with that. So if they would like to invest in these ICOs independently, that will then be a possibility with this account, right? So that is our launch for today, and we are very proud of our team and the ICOs too, what they have accomplished so far. And we really believe that within this year, our goal is to raise at least $500,000 Canadian, or actually I should say US dollars. And next year, 2019, our goal is to raise $10 million US, okay, for ICO. So we thank you so much again to everyone who has helped us through this process, and it's been an interesting ride, a nice journey, and this is just the start, right? This is just the start, because now once we have our products up and running, we could now create returns regularly, right? Starting today, we'll be starting to create returns, and we have now something to show to investors that they could be a part of. All right? Once again, thank you very much. This is Daryl Emmanuel. Have a good day.